bad odors in your car. An ozone generator can help. Place in the middle of the vehicle if you can. Set fans to max and recirculate air to allow ozone to get into vents. Run for 20 minutes to hours depending on severity of odors. Open windows or doors to allow ozone to dissipate. Even open the sunroof if the vehicle has one. Ozone generators are perfect for removing pet odors, smoke odors, and can even help kill mold smells. Be sure to clean the source of the odors first for best results. Thanks for watching.